5 and 6 with the City of Manila to take effect June 30, 2025. Today po yan. In this regard, may we seek your assistance in servicing our account. Ito po, ibig sabihin, naniningil na. Ipaliliwanag ko po yan maya-maya. For services thus far rendered in furtherance of our contract, we thank the City of Manila for the opportunity given to us. Thank you, very truly yours, Joey Lee Oliver, President and COO of Pileco. Ang ikalawa pong sulat ay galing naman po sa Metro Waste Solid Waste Management Corporation. June 30, 2025. Honorable Francisco M. Domagoso, City Mayor, City Government of Manila, Manila City Hall, A. Villegas Street, Ermita, Manila. Dear Mayor Domagoso, this to inform you that we have submitted a notice of intent to withdraw from garbage collection and disposal services contract last June 10, 2025 with the previous administration. As mentioned in the said letter, we find it extremely difficult to sustain our operation due to our continuing inability to collect payments for services already rendered from February 2025 to present. Attached is a copy of our letter for your reference. In view thereof, we are constrained to terminate our contract for the garbage collection disposal services for District 1, 2, and 3 of the City of Manila. Effective June 30, 2025. Thank you, very truly yours, Jerry Rose Ching, Chief Executive Officer, Metro Manila, Metro Waste Solid Waste Management Corporation. At the same manner, ganun din po ang sulat tungkol sa flushing at mga antibacterial activities contracted with Metro Waste. Iyan po ang malaking pagsubok na kakaharapin natin ngayong araw na ito. Para po sa kaliwanagan ng lahat. At hindi naman kaila na ang Maynila for so many mayors, for so many decades, ang nagkokolekta ng maayos sa atin at mainam na nagugustuhan ng mamamayan kahit na magpalit-palit ang mga mayor ay ang dating kolektor ng Maynila na Lionel Waste Management. At napabalita rin po sa atin noong nakaraang taon na hindi na rin po kinaya ng Lionel na tugunan ang serbisyo para sa lungsod. At sila nagpaalam ng maayos ng Oktubre na hanggang December 31 na lamang po sila. Bagamat ipinagkaila ng ilang individual na sila daw ay nagbabayad, ngunit ang katotohanan, may pagkakautang o bayarin tayo sa Lionel ng 561 million pesos sa taong 2024. At dahil dito, minabuti ng nakaraang administrasyon na kumuha at paghati-hatiin ang koleksyon ng basura sa lungsod. Sila naman po'y nagtagumpay na kumuha ng ibang kumpanya katulad na nabanggit kong kumpanya na Metro Waste at Pileco. Ngunit katulad ng isinaad sa sulat ng